What's up guys, welcome back to Enzone. Today we're going to talk about Enzone Discord. If you're not already in the Discord, the link will be down below. And I want to congratulate you if you made your FxPro account based on the last video. If you have not seen the last video, I will link it down below as well. And the first thing you're going to see when you're accepting our invite to the Discord as a member, because we are leaving the server as a member currently, which is the free role, is that announcement. The announcement is like the most important channel of them all, where I will update important stuffs. The welcome page is just new people coming in. This is the rules. Go through these rules, don't break the rules. In this section I'm going to upload the YouTube videos, which I recommend to go through. Everything is free, just watch it. We have some free reading materials: Naked Forex, Canon Bible, Mark Douglas. Click on them, download them, go through them, discuss with the Discord if you want. Loss review, where we want to update based on the losses we have made, where we learned from them, so you don't make the same mistakes. Trading questions, some questions I have received or people asking questions here and we're answering them. So you can just go up, when does the market open, blah blah blah, what is bearish, bullish, ask any question, no question is dumb. Alright, here we post some news. And here we post the results we have made. Here we're gonna post things we have funded, like bought with our Forex index, whatever we invest in. For example, if we buy a meal, if we buy a watch, if we buy a trip, a car, whatever it is, we can post it here to motivate people. Here we're gonna post the monthly results. Currently we are up around 5,000 or 6,000 pips. Some more news section here. This is the general chat. Here you can talk about the books, talk about whatever is on your mind. Don't worry about this one. Here you can post your memes. Here you can post some suggestions for YouTube videos. Here you can write the feedback on Enzone so we can actually improve both the good and bad things. And here on the free trading section, here we're posting our free trades. Alright, so we have Forex, for example, where I posted buy your USD, small lot size, will scale in more if it continue going down. And this is the different take profits areas, okay? And then we have indices, which is US 30, for example, metals, for example, gold. The indices was pretty nice. We made a good amount of money on the US 30. The gold was good as well. It hit the take profits and continued. Crypto. We recently started sharing crypto, so I posted a plan yesterday, and the stocks have we not used yet. And then we have some self-improvement section where I post daily motivation quotes, and here you can post some YouTube motivation you want to. On the social we have self-introduction, where you can introduce yourself so that people can know you better. A hangout where you can chat, and this is the free voice channels, okay? If you, based on the last video, made an FxPro client account, then you have access to some more stuff. Then you have access to everything the member has, plus FxPro clients chat, where we talk a bit more. Yeah, it's the FxPro client chat. They got own meme, lost review. Here we have posted some lost reviews. Here we post some ideas, so you actually learn and see the reason behind our investment ideas. Index ideas, metals, crypto, and profits, live trading as well, so you can participate in the live trading, including the free tradings. And you have also the books, which is nice. And if you have the VIP, then you have everything both member and FxPro has, including a VIP trading room, which is like the entry points I give, and everything, including indices, metals. We're gonna use more crypto, we're gonna use more stocks upcoming. So yeah, I hope this makes everything more clear. Thank you for watching. Peace.